Now comes the package management. Termux provides APT and DPKG for package management and installation. Termux is similar in usage to most of the modern Linux distributions, especially Ubuntu and Debian based distros. The only major difference is that you won't find the file system hierarchy standard, that is FHS. The file system hierarchy standard is found in most of the Linux distributions, which means you won't find some directories on the same locations as they are in the Linux distros. Now, we'll come across the usage of various commands. We'll come across all these commands in a practical session.